Introducing the Leafbikes Smart Bike Lock System. Have you ever been stranded, fumbling to unlock your bike in unpleasantly sunny weather? So have we. Our innovative system secures your bike as soon as you walk away. Your bike is secured whether the app is open or not. You can even be talking on the phone. Ready to ride again? Just walk up to your bike, get on, and go. Worried about battery life and your bike being locked forever? No problem. The Leafbike system includes a regenerative charging system. Every time you take your bike out for a ride, the included rechargeable battery is being topped off automatically. By using agile development techniques, we were able to rapidly iterate through designs to deliver the best possible product. We even incorporated 3D modeling and printing into our development process to ensure that our physical design was as refined as our software and electronic components. Leafbikes, bringing your commute into the 21st century.